how to download TikTok Live Studio on your computer or laptop. So this can be really useful if you want to go and start live streaming straight from your PC. Now it's really easy to do. We just need to go and open up an internet browser and then go and search for TikTok Live Studio and press search. You can then click on this top website, which is Download Live Studio. Now once you're on this page here, you need to click on the red Download for Windows button. You can then click on your Downloads folder in the top right hand side of the page, and you can go and open up this executable file. You can then press Install Now and then wait a few moments while it installs to your system. Once it's finished installing, you can press the Open button. Now the first thing you'll need to do is go and link your TikTok account to the Live Studio. So I'm going to press the Login button, and then you can go and sign in with your username and password. You can also scan this QR code on your mobile phone, and you can sign yourself in using the TikTok app. Now once you're signed in, you can click on Get Started, and then it's going to ask you some questions which will determine the best settings for you on the Live Studio. So select what you're going to be using this platform for. I'm going to be gaming live. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to your microphone and select your external mic. You also need to do the same for your webcam or camera as well, and then press continue. It's then going to test your network connection just to ensure that we can have a stable live stream. It's then going to recommend a quality for your streaming. Now I'm going to select 720p by 30 FPS, and this is by far the best option to choose. Now if you have a slower computer, it may suggest 480p, but just bear in mind that this will be much lower quality. You can then select your live layout, either portrait or landscape, and this depends on what you're going to be live streaming. So for me, because I'm going to be streaming gaming, I want to make sure this is landscape and press finish. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.